There's literally a YouTube video for everything. You're literally watching a video right now about how to grow your channel. So you are already on the journey of beginning your research. So you're already on the right track. Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how I grew my YouTube channel, tips, tricks, and secrets that actually work. So if you'd like to see more, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to check out my website, lavidarosastyle.com, where you can find cute earrings like the ones I'm wearing right now. That link is down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so I did this video once I hit 3K, and so now I'm almost to 30K. That video still applies, but there are a couple of things that I've added and do a little bit differently. So I was like, let me just do an updated video, since I get questions about my YouTube channel literally all the time. That's probably my most asked question. I've broken these down into a few steps, so let's just get into it. If you don't know anything else about YouTube, just research. And honestly, the way I learned how to do YouTube was through other YouTube videos. There's literally a YouTube video for everything. You're literally watching a video right now about how to grow your channel. So you are already on the journey of beginning your research. So you're already on the right track. There are plenty of videos that break down how to upload YouTube videos and different things like that. You might want to research different categories and maybe different areas you might want to go into. Similar to Instagram, you want to choose a large category and then narrow it down to a smaller one and then choose a niche within that category. So for me, my huge category is like beauty. I like all things beauty, hair, makeup, fashion, but I narrowed it down to natural hair, and then my niche is blonde natural hair. And so I give you tips and tricks on blonde natural hair, how to do it, how I bleach my hair, you know, how I care for my hair, things like that. It's just a thing that would draw people to my channel, so it was kind of easy for me to narrow that down. But for you, you might have different interests, so you will narrow it down in your particular category, and make sure it's something that you really are interested in, because once you begin, it's going to be hard to want to keep going. So you want to make sure it's something that you really like to do. I know this is something people hear all the time. You're probably tired of hearing about consistency, but it's so important for you to be consistent, because it's all about building an audience, building a community. And how can anyone want to watch you or build with you or be a part if they don't know when you're gonna upload? I personally think you should at least upload once a week. I think you should choose a particular day that you post. I actually need to follow my own advice with this. I've been very scattered with this lately, but when I first began, I posted every single Thursday like clockwork. I did that for an entire year, and my channel grew by thousands. So I think posting every single week on a particular day can do nothing but help you, and it will build a consistent audience that is ready to watch your videos on that particular day. I did get a question asking me, would posting multiple times a day help or hurt? I think posting every single day is good, but I think posting multiple times a day might be a little bit too much, because it might oversaturate, and then honestly you might run out of things to post anyway. But I think posting every day is not a bad idea. This is like a popcorn microwave society. People love consistency. People love to watch things every day. People love to have content every day. So I don't think that posting every day is a bad idea. It's a great idea, and if you have the kind of content that you can post every day, that's perfect. And I think people will find your content easier if you did. And when you're thinking about creating your schedule, think about it from a viewer's perspective. Think about when you would like to see videos. Would you like to see them every day? Would you like to see them once a week? You know what I'm saying? And then also, it just depends on the kind of content that you're creating, whether you can post every day. Like, I could never post every day. Recording, editing, all that, it takes more than just one day. Someone asked me what was my equipment that I used when I first started. I actually first started filming on my phone. I had an iPhone 4, 5, I don't know, it was one of those. I had an iPhone, and I would just record videos on my phone. My lighting, I created my own lighting. I will link a video down below that I made a few years ago. It was DIY ring lights, and they're very inexpensive. The items it took to create them only cost $25 and under, so those are really easy to create, and that's what I used in the beginning. That's what I used. I didn't use any sort of special ring lights, or I just didn't have the money for it. Or you can use an open window for lighting. You can use just straight up sunlight, and that is actually, to me, the best lighting. But if you don't have it, like I said, you could create your own. But I did eventually upgrade, and the camera that I'm using right now is a Canon Powershot G7x. And I always get compliments on the quality. It's great quality camera. The ring light that I'm using is the newer, I believe that's the way you say it, newer ring light. I got my camera from Best Buy, got the ring light from Amazon. I will link both of them down below. But if you're just starting out, I would recommend using cheaper lighting and using your phone or something, because your first videos are not going to be the best. Like, I look back at my first videos like, what was I thinking? But no one's first videos is amazing. So it's okay for the setup to be a little janky in the beginning, because you're just learning, and I feel like you should you know, start from humble beginnings before you upgrade, because you don't even know if you're going to want to continue to do it. So I forgot to mention tripods. This first tripod I'm showing you is one that I got from Walmart, and I've literally been using it ever since I first started YouTube. It was very affordable, and it's also very durable, and it comes with an attachment that will allow you to use your phone as well. So I would recommend this one. And also, if you're looking for like a shorter one that you could just prop up on your desk or something like that, it's also flexible if you want to attach it to just anything. This one has really came in handy for me when I'm using my phone. So, and it was really cheap too. So if you would like to buy this, I will also link that down below. You want to promote yourself as much as possible. I had a hard time promoting myself in the beginning because I just didn't want to come off as pushy. I didn't want to like come off like I'm trying to force you to watch my videos. I didn't want to be one of those people that filled everybody's timeline up with their own promotion to the point where they want to unfollow. And honestly, I was just very nervous in the beginning to even record myself and put it out there. I was nervous for people to even see me on tape. If you're gonna start a channel, you have to promote yourself. No one is going to promote you better than you. No one is going to care more than you. So you need to push yourself to promote yourself. Promote yourself on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Pinterest, anywhere. Post your stuff any and everywhere that you have an account. That's the best way to get the word out. That's the best way to get people to see. And honestly, you're not going to get the support you're looking for in the beginning. People are not going to support you the way that you thought they would. Your best friend, your cousin, your sister, your auntie, they're not going to support you the way you thought they would. So you have to promote yourself. And when you start promoting yourself and people see you promoting you and people become supporters of yours, they'll help you promote. Most likely your biggest supporters will be people you don't even know. The people that support me the most are people that I've never even seen in person. I probably haven't even seen a real picture of them, but they share and support more than anybody because they see me promoting myself all the time and they see me being consistent, so they want to support. And you can promote yourself by posting pictures, telling people, oh, this is my video, go check it out. You could post little preview videos. I used to do that. Like I used to take just a clip from my YouTube video and post it on my Instagram and Facebook, and it kind of gives people a preview of what they'll be getting if they watch the video. And you know, just tell people to subscribe and stuff like that. You don't have to oversaturate. At least make one post every day on each platform talking about your YouTube channel. That truly helped mine. Like when you're first starting, I would recommend like recording yourself doing a video and then going back and watching it before you put it out there, just to see like how you are on camera. Like for me, I realized when I very first started, I was looking down a lot. I wasn't really engaging with the camera. You want to make sure you're looking dead in the camera, make sure you're like connecting with the audience. When some people ask me to watch their first videos, they don't really project their voice. You can't really hear what they're saying. And so I feel like you need to really engage, like really like look in that camera and really talk to people. And like I said, it's gonna take some time. Like, I didn't start off this good. I feel like it took me a whole year to really get comfortable in front of the camera. But once I am now, you know, when the camera comes on, I'm on, you know what I'm saying? And sometimes you have to kind of like push your personality out more. Not saying pretend to be somebody else, but like take your personality and turn it up to like 10, just so people can get a feel for who you are. Like, at the end of the day, it's entertainment, so you kind of want to like make sure people are entertained. Also, as you're engaging your audience, you want to make sure you ask them questions that they can leave a comment or like give their opinion. Encourage them to like and share and subscribe. I honestly, I feel like, because I say in the beginning of every one of my videos, and subscribe, I feel like that has really encouraged people to want to subscribe to my channel. Like, sometimes I'll watch a video and I'm trying to think back of what video or who it was, because I forgot to subscribe. So you want to encourage people to subscribe, because they'll forget. As a courtesy, because I'm a YouTuber, I always leave a like if I like the video, but sometimes people will forget. So you should just jog their memory and tell them, you know, leave a like. Don't just beat them down with it. Like my video, subscribe, you know, do it in an engaging way, but still encourage them to do so, because it really does help. This is not something I do as much. I think I need to get back to this. Make sure you take time to plan out and outline videos before you just hop on camera and freestyle. I think it's always good when you're first starting out to like plan your videos out. Not write out a full script, but maybe an outline of what you want to hit on, because when you get on camera all the time, if I don't have like an outline of what I want to say, I'll forget, and I'll have to like go back and edit it in, or you know what I'm saying. Like, you just want to make sure you have an outline so you don't forget anything. Sometimes these lights and these cameras can give you a little short-term memory loss and you'll forget. So you want to make sure you have an outline of what you want. You just want to make sure you have everything properly planned for each video, so that you can put out the best content possible. And because people can tell when you don't put the effort in there. You have to put that effort to, like, you know, actually know what you're talking about, because people can spot that out really well, trust me. Finally, I wanted to talk about monetization. Someone asked me, do I get paid for my videos? And I do. Honestly, when I first joined the website, I was able to get paid, but unfortunately the rules have changed, and I believe you have to have 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel before you can start monetizing your videos and getting paid for them. I hate that for people starting out, because you don't get paid immediately, but if you post good enough content, people keep coming back and watching your videos, eventually you will get paid. Once you are able to monetize your videos, you will be able to earn money through ads. You get paid through AdSense, and you get paid every month on the 21st or 22nd, whichever one. And you have to meet a certain threshold before you can get paid. So you have to earn up to $100 or more before you get paid each month. So if you don't hit that $100, you have to wait till next month to see if you earned it. I feel like it took me 6 months to reach that $100 threshold, and then from there I was able to earn a consistent amount of money. Now, I'm not going to share how much money I make, but I do make a little decent chunk of change. I would miss this money if I wasn't making it. It's worth it once you get started making money, but there is a little dues you have to pay in the beginning now, instead of just getting straight up paid in the beginning. I am going to be making another video on how I get paid from Instagram and YouTube outside of ads. So look forward to that video if you're really interested in how to make money from YouTube. But yeah, that's it for my tips. I hope you guys got what you were looking for. I hope you learned. I asked for people to ask me questions on Instagram and on here, and so I tried to answer those questions the best I could. And if you have more, I will be down in the comments answering them. So leave what your opinions are, what your questions might be. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.